snowflakes fall gently, and the world is quietly covered in the white of Christmas. In this moment, time slows down and the hope of a new year is taking shape, are then made into a fine blend. No matter how the seasons change, no matter how working conditions vary, HUAYEE Machinery ensures every operation runs smoothly and reliably. Visit the HUAYEE Machinery showroom. Enjoy exclusive holiday offers and multiple promotional plans, making high-quality equipment even more cost-effective. A wide range of best-selling models are on display, so you can choose with confidence and select the right machine for every project. From manufacturing and equipment inspection to delivery operation and after-sales service, every step is driven by one goal: to guarantee the needs of every customer. Our professional team is always ready to respond, providing timely maintenance and fast support so your equipment stays in optimal condition at all times. HUAYEE Machinery, reliable performance at every moment, dedicated service for every customer.